How to log into Viber on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Viber app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into the Viber application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Viber application here. And once you launch the Viber app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can allow the notifications if you like and access to your contacts. Now all you have to do is also make sure that you have a SIM card, because without a SIM card you will not be able to use Viber. So you can tap the start now option here and then just make sure to enter your phone number. So once you go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number over here, just make sure you have access to this phone number, tap on continue, and then you're going to receive a verification code on this particular number. And once you've done that, you should be able to log in to your Viber account. This way you can log into Viber on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.